Hello everyone and welcome back to the CodeChef platform. Have you ever wondered how your programs actually do calculations? Today we are breaking down arithmetic operations in C++. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floating point division, and even the modulus operator. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your program do maths like a pro. Let's jump in and start crunching some numbers.
Let's start with the first topic of the lesson, that is addition operator in C++. In C++, the addition operation is performed using the plus operator. It is one of the basic arithmetic operators used to add two or more values. Now these values can be numbers, variables, or expressions. Let's discuss the syntax. Data type variable name is equal to value 1 plus value 2 semicolon. First we will declare two variables, value 1 and value 2. So whatever value we have stored in the variables value 1 and value 2 will be added and it will be stored in the variable called variable name. Now let's go to the CodeChef platform and see how addition operation works in C++. The objective of this program is performing addition in C++ and the expected output is sum : 45. Let's get on to the code. Hash include IOStream using namespace std, then int main. Now inside main we have declared two integer variables. Int num1 is equal to 30 semicolon and int num2 is equal to 15 semicolon. Now int result is equal to num1 plus num2 and semicolon. So in this statement we are performing the addition operation. So int is the data type, result is the new variable in which we are storing the value that will come after performing addition operation on the value of num1 variable and num2 variable. Then cout insertion operator in double inverted commas sum : again insertion operator and then variable result. So the value of variable result will be printed after sum and endl semicolon. Then return 0 semicolon and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Okay, so sum : 45. Why? Because the value of num1 was 30 and the value of num2 is 15. 30 plus 15 is equal to 45. So sum : 45, which is exactly similar to the expected output. The next topic is subtraction operator in C++. So in C++, the subtraction operation is performed using the minus operator. It is used to subtract one value from another, whether those values are numbers, variables, or expressions. Coming to the syntax, it is data type, then variable name is equal to value 1 minus value 2 and semicolon. So value 1 and value 2 are other two variables in which we have stored some value, and whatever will be the result after subtracting value 2 from value 1 will be stored in variable name. Now let's go to the CodeChef platform and see an example of subtraction operator in C++. The program objective is performing subtraction in C++ and the expected output is difference : 31. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream using namespace std semicolon, then int main, int total marks is equal to 100 semicolon, and then we have declared another integer variable, int obtained marks is equal to 69 semicolon. Now let us perform subtraction using the variable difference. So int difference is equal to total marks minus obtained marks semicolon. Here int is the data type, difference is the variable name, and then assignment operator, total marks, which carries the value 100 minus obtained marks, which carries the value 69. So whatever will be the difference between total marks and obtained marks will be stored in the variable difference. Then cout, insertion operator in double inverted commas, difference colon, insertion operator, difference variable. So the value of this variable will be printed here, and then endl. Then return 0 and the main function ends here. Let's click the submit button to see the output. Difference colon 31, because 100 minus 69 is 31. This is how we perform subtraction operation in C++. Multiplication operator in C++. In C++, the multiplication operation is performed using the star operator. It is used to multiply two values, and these values can be numbers, variables, or expressions. Coming to the syntax, data type variable name is equal to value 1 multiplied by value 2 and semicolon. So we will first declare two variables named value 1 and value 2. We will assign some values to these two variables, and then we will multiply them. Whatever will be the product of these two variables will be stored in the variable name. Let's see how to do this on the CodeChef platform. The objective of this program is performing multiplication in C++, and the expected output is multiplication result colon 24. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream, then using namespace std semicolon int main. Now we are going to declare and initialize two integer variables. So int length is equal to 6 semicolon and int width is equal to 4 semicolon. Then we are going to perform multiplication. Int area is equal to length multiplied by width semicolon. So here int is the data type, area is the variable that we have declared, and this variable stored the value of length multiplied by width. Then cout insertion operator in double inverted commas, multiplication result colon, then again insertion operator. The value of variable area will be printed, which will be taken from here, and then endl. Then return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let's click the submit button and see the output. Multiplication result colon 24. Why? Because 6 times 4 is 24.
Today we explored all the essential arithmetic calculations in C++. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floating point division, and the modulus operator. These are building blocks for almost every calculation your program will perform. The key is practice. Try these operations on the CodeChef platform to really master them. Thank you so much for watching.